Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee, affectionately known as Music City. Nashville is situated on the Cumberland River in the north-central part of Tennessee. The city is characterized by rolling hills and abundant greenery, offering residents and visitors picturesque landscapes to enjoy. Nashville was founded in 1779 by pioneers James Robertson and John Donaldson. They established Fort Nashboro along the Cumberland River, naming it after Francis Nash, a general in the American Revolutionary War. The city's strategic location as a river port and later as a railroad center contributed to its rapid growth. Nashville's identity is deeply intertwined with music. It's home to iconic venues like the Grand Ole Opry, which has showcased country music legends for decades. The city also hosts the Country Music Hall of Fame, celebrating the genre's rich history. In recent years, Nashville has experienced significant growth, attracting new residents and visitors alike. Its blend of historical charm and modern amenities continues to make it a unique destination in the American South.
Thanks for watching!